are concerned tonight, you see those low clouds hanging in across East Texas. That moisture has really increased, and that's going to be the best chance for those thunderstorms tonight. We'll have a greater coverage east of Dallas and Fort Worth, but as we head toward midnight tonight, we'll begin to see some thunderstorms developing out ahead of that cold front that's working its way into the area. These will blossom pretty quickly and move off to the east very quickly as well after midnight. You see around 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, looking at those thunderstorms move on out of the area sometime after 3 a.m. Heading towards sunrise tomorrow, I think all the storms should be out of the area. So by the time most of us get up and start moving around on Friday morning, the storms will be gone. We'll have those strong northwest winds, a little bit of a wintry mix. Won't amount to much along the immediate Red River, far northeast Texas, briefly, I think, for tomorrow. But then we'll clear out and have those brisk northwest winds. Now, as far as the severe weather threat, it is there. We'll have a chance for some strong severe thunderstorms. You see that marginal to slight risk for some severe storms. It does include areas in the Metroplex, I-35 areas east. And we do have that slight risk a little farther east as well. So we are talking about damaging winds, large hail, the main concern. Tornado threat is not zero. It's low, but not zero. So something that we can't rule out, maybe that brief spin up that we'll have to watch in some of those storms. Most of us won't see any severe weather or storms for that matter, especially a little farther west. And you see that enhanced risk as we get out over the Arctic region for early on Friday. That's the severe weather threat. Behind that, we will have those strong northwest winds tomorrow, 20 to 30 miles per hour. So we'll go from highs today in the upper 60s. The highs tomorrow not getting out of the 40s. And so that's the first taste of the cold air. Then as we get into the weekend, the Arctic air blows into North Texas. And so it does warm up briefly on Saturday, and then Saturday night and Sunday, here comes the cold air starting to move in. Those temperatures will drop in a hurry, and we'll have that chance for some wintry precip. Still looking at that possibility beginning late Sunday, going into early on Monday. It should be light if we see any. Not looking at a whole lot as far as travel impact is concerned right now, but as we keep talking about, keep checking back as we'll make updates to the forecast. But there will be some wintry precip around as we get into Monday as well. I think we'll still see that around maybe Monday evening before that begins to taper off. So that's something we'll be watching, but it is definitely going to get cold. Now, the better chances will probably be just east of Dallas and Fort Worth, and maybe out into our northeastern and southeastern counties as well, as far as the Sunday night, Monday time frame with that freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Right now, we're going with about a 20% coverage with that, so definitely keep that in mind. But temperatures will be frigid for us as we get into Monday morning. We're going to be in the lower teens. That record out at DFW is 11 back in 1905. So you will be close to that, and that will be the case on Tuesday as well. We're looking at a low right around 12 above with that record 11 back in 1930. So yes, it does get very cold. Make all the necessary preparations while you can. We'll see those temperatures on Saturday back into the mid-50s, and then we won't be above freezing for a while beginning Saturday night going into Sunday. That high on Monday only around 24. Still looking at daytime highs not above freezing on Tuesday. Temperatures do bounce back a little bit as we head toward the latter half of next week. All right, Tashara, back over to you.
Thank you.